Can an LLC claim lottery winnings in California? Yes. In California, an LLC can claim lottery winnings if the ticket was purchased on behalf of the LLC and the LLC is properly formed. This is often done by groups of people who pool money to buy tickets and want the winnings distributed through a legal business structure. The LLC provides liability protection and makes it easier to divide winnings among members according to their ownership percentages. The California Lottery will issue the prize check to the LLC, and the LLC then distributes the winnings to its members. Each member is responsible for reporting their share of income on their personal tax return. It's important that the LLC is set up correctly before claiming the prize and that all members have a clear operating agreement in place. This prevents disputes and ensures compliance with both state and federal tax laws. Zen Business can help you form an LLC quickly so your group can legally claim and distribute winnings. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.